Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, Canva has come to ChatGPT. That's basically the bottom line, and it has done a great job. This is not a rushed plugin. This plugin does the trick. Let me show you first off how to install it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. Should take only a few seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the little button, and then I'm going to go to the plugin store. I'm going to go to install. I'm going to uninstall it. All right, cool. Starting from scratch. To get going, it says plugins, no plugins enabled, or if you have plugins enabled. Either way, click on that little down arrow right there. It'll take you to the plugin store. In the search bar, just type in Canva and presto. Now you'll see Canva install. Install it. That's literally all there is to it. Now the next step, and this is an optional step, but I like to do this, is I just type in how do I use this plugin. And the reason why I do that is because every plugin, no matter what it is, it's going to tell you, here's what the plugin does, here's what I need or what the plugin needs, and then go from there. So here we go. Tell me what you need, describe the type of design you're looking to create, template suggestions. It's going to select a template that it thinks relevant, and then you can go in and edit it, which is where the fun part is. And you'll see here, I've got one here. This is a graphic that I had it designed, and I haven't touched anything yet. It built this from scratch with just one prompt. And then here is even a video that it designed. Look at that. I mean, it's got some, lorem ipsum in there. It's got some default text. I'll delete those or I'll close those out. But here we go. So I'm going to say create a YouTube video for a real estate company. A real estate company. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. You can be more specific, of course. Here we go. Create a YouTube video for a real estate company using Canva. There we go. I clicked on the little down arrow, so it'll show you exactly what it's going to do. But anyways, you don't need to do that, but there we go. So now, here we go. It's going to create 5. I believe it's always 5. Look at that. Find your dream house. That's a cool video. That's a cool looking video. This one looks pretty good. The third one, the first one looks kind of like a music. So maybe it's not perfect. And it's got some music. And then this one is find the home of your dreams, which is very corporate. Okay, so let's go with the second one. You can, of course, click on the view template. So right here on the second one, I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up Canva. And assuming you have a Canva account, you're going to go ahead and see this. And I'm going to hit the play button bottom left. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. I haven't touched anything. I just said create this and it did it for me. Now you can go in here and override it. So it says get one of our best units, but if you were in Albuquerque, you could say get one of our best units in Albuquerque. Just go in and override it. This works the same for all types of posts. So if it's a social media post, a social media video, a graphic, all of this works inside Canva, inside ChatGPT. This is amazing. Thanks for watching.